Hey guys, come over here. Check out what we got in the mail. Some new gel blasters. Should we take these out and unbox them?
Yeah.
So we got 2 gel blasters here. Unlocx sent these to us to test out. So we got this V1 pistol and this 4-in-1 rifle. So you guys want to open up the boxes and take a look at these gel blasters?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, we'll start with the V1 pistol. I'll leave some of the features here on the screen, but all right, you get this. Oh, it looks like it's also a target right here. So we get some just instructions, and then there's the actual pistol. Oh, nice. Oh, with the magazine right there. How does it feel?
Good.
So yeah, feels good. There's the on and off right there. Oh, nice. Looks like it comes charged already. What else do we get in the box here?
Glasses.
Okay, we got some glasses, a tool, and the charger. And like I said, the magazine is right there. Okay, let's open up the next one. And here's the 4-in-1 rifle. Let's open this one up. Ooh. So you get, looks like a target as well on that side. And then there's all the BBs, or the gel blasters. The other ones did come with gel blasters, but I inflated them already. So I just put these in water and they're good to go like 3 or 4 hours. So it comes with a charger. Oh, it comes with an actual place to inflate the ammo, and then we'll have to see what all this is, but it comes with glasses as well and a tool. And here is the gun as well. Oh my gosh, that looks great. So that comes with the magazine, and then there's looks like the on and off is right there. All right, let me read the directions quick, and then we'll get these loaded up. All right, let's go over some of the features here. So this is the on and off right there. There's the charging hole right here. So it's a USB charge. And then to do the different modes, this is why you have the tools. So you can take off the stock and part of this front. I say we try it just the way it is, and then we can try adjusting it. And then over here is the magazine release. You push that, and then you can pull out the mag, and then you load it up through this gate right here. So what do you guys want to do? Should we load up our guns and go out over to the range and test them out?
Yeah.
Let's do it. All right, we got the magazine loaded up. You want to put it in the gun here?
Yeah.
It just slides right in, and then turn it to the on position. I think it's a fully automatic gun here. Oh, nice. That's awesome, eh? No jams at all?
No.
And ran really smoothly the first shots. Yeah, it's a lot powerful than your other ones, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
All right, let's try the next one. Okay, you want to slide the magazine in this one?
Yeah.
So this is, I think it's a little more powerful than the other gun was. Oh, nice. Okay, and the on and off is right there. All right, first shot. There she goes already. Oh man, that one really fires out the bullets, right?
Yeah.
You like it?
Yeah.
Let's do some more testing here. All right, let's do some dual shoot and see how this does.
Yeah.
The guns have been working great. We figure we test out these glasses and have a little battle. So we're gonna use those 2 guns, and we had a different gel blaster we're gonna use. I'm gonna try out one of these guns just so I can get a feel for it. So, all right, you guys grab the guns, and we'll head out into the woods here. Yeah, those are powerful. I got the big gun now. Nice. Ouch. Getting hit from over here. Uh-oh, long range over there. This gun can really shoot far. Uh-oh. All right, here we go. I think he's hiding behind here. There he is. Oh, nice. All right, I think it's time to go reload quick. All right, we spent the afternoon shooting and using these gel blasters. What do you guys think?
I like how guns are like really powerful and easy to use.
So powerful and easy to use. What was your favorite thing about them?
I like shooting at the target.
So you just like shooting them. Yeah, I really enjoyed them. They're definitely very powerful. They're probably the most powerful ones we have. And like I said, they are easy to load and recharge. We were looking at this stock. So you just pull this screw out right there, and then you can push this down and slide that off to make it kind of like a pistol. And then you can actually slide off the front. There's a screw on the top you remove right there, and then you can just go ahead and slide that off. And basically you have this pistol right here. And like I said, they're versatile, so you can slide. So that back comes off, and then you can slide
This out.
So those guns are pretty interchangeable, and you can slide
This on.
that on as well. This goes on the inside, and that slides right on there. Right, you gotta get perfect. And it does have these rails on top. You can probably mount fake scopes and all that stuff. So yeah, so you got that gun on that one. So yeah, this one I think is like 20 bucks more than the other one. So definitely check these out. They're really cool guns. I'll leave the link for the website below. But thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.